How to enable developer mode on your Android device. Every Android phone comes equipped with the ability to enable developer options, which lets you test some features and access parts of the phone that are usually locked away. I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. First, open up Settings. Then scroll down to About Phone. Next, click on Software Information. And lastly, tap on your phone's build number 7 times. You'll get an on-screen countdown, eventually followed by a message saying, "Congratulations, you are now a developer." As you can see, developer mode has been enabled. And that's all it takes to enable developer mode on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.